model, 65-plate Citroen Relay Heavy 2.2 HDI flatbed chassis. Cab needs gearbox. Body, white, flatbed. Mileage, 150733 MOT, the 22nd of January 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 4 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox is stuck in first gear. The gearbox will need repairing or replacing. Grin condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is average. Rear load area is very clean. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, cruise control, parking sensors, aircon. EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.